Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? As in the previous lecture, I have revised the like and unlike decimals by place value chart, and this will help you today for the next lecture. So let's start today's lecture. Our today's topic for revision is addition of decimals. Let's start with the help of an example. In this example, we have three numbers: 3.19 plus 27.974 plus 8.8. As I told you, for addition of the decimals, that we have to check whether the decimal numbers are like or unlike. If unlike, then firstly need to convert the decimals into like decimals. So let's check whether our given numbers are like or unlike. For this purpose, we have to check the decimal places of all these three given numbers. Let's start. Our first number is 3.19. Second number is 27.974 and third number is 8.8. So let's start whether these numbers are in like or unlike. Our first number is 3.19. So after the decimal we have 1 and 2 digits. So this one is 2 decimal number. Second, 27.974. So after the decimal we have 1, 2 and 3 digits. So this is 3 decimal. Third number is 8.8. So in 8.8, after the decimal point we have only one digit. So this one is 1 decimal. So according to the definition of the like and unlike decimals, we have unlike decimals over here because the decimal places are different from each other. This one is 2 decimal, this one is 3 decimal and this one is 1 decimal. So they are unlike decimals, so we have to convert it into like decimal before the addition. Let's start. Now I will convert these decimals into like decimals. For this conversion, the best way is write these decimal numbers in the column form, in the vertical form. First number is 3.19. Second number is 27.974, and as I already told you that before to put the second number you have to put the decimal under the decimal. Firstly start from the right side. From the right side, first digit is 9, second digit is 7, third digit is 4, and in the right side, left side we have 7 and 2. Third number is 8.8. So firstly start from the decimal. In the right side we have only 8 and in the left side also we have only 8. So we have done all three numbers in the column form, and as our topic is addition, so we will put the addition sign along with the third number. Now we will convert it in the sum form. From here you can easily check that our number is in unlike decimal because according to the places along with the decimal, in the right side we have the tens place, then we have hundredth place, and then we have thousands place. And after the decimal, in the left side we have ones, tens and hundreds. As you can see very clearly that thousand place is missing in the first number, 3.19. We have the digits up to 100 place, so 1000 place is missing. It means our 1000 is 0. In the second number we have all three places: tens, 9 tens, 7 hundreds and 4 thousands. At third number 8.8, we have only the 10th place digit. We don't have the 0 place digit. We don't have the 100 place digit, so we will put 0, and we also don't have the 1000 place digit, so we will put 0. So we don't have 1000 place in the first number, and also we have we don't have the 100 place in the last number and 1000 place. That's why we are putting 0. Now this 0 will not affect the value of 3.19 and 8.8. If we will put any other number, that will change the value, that will affect the value. That's why we are using 0, because we don't have any value of 1000 over here, and we don't have the value of 100 and 1000 over here. Now we have 1 2 3 digits, 1 2 3 digits and 1 2 3 digits. So this one is called like decimals. Now we have converted the decimal numbers into like decimals. Now it's easy for us to add the numbers when digits are aligned. Let's start the addition. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So we will put 6. 1 will be the carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 1 19. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. Then decimal. So here we have 1 carry, so we will shift the carry to the next place, that is ones. So 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 9 will be over here and 1 will be the carry for the tens place. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our answer is 39.964. So 3.19 plus 27.974 plus 8.8 is equal to 39.964. That is our required answer. Clear? So with the help of place value chart, you can easily add these numbers. I will also solve it with the help of the place value chart. As our first number is 3.19. So firstly we will put decimal. First digit is 1, second digit is 9, and in the left side we have 3. Now again decimal. Right side 9, 7, 4 and left side is 7 and 2. Third number is 8.8. Decimal. First digit is 8 in the right side and left side we have 8. Along with the third number we will put the addition sign. Now here you can easily find out the blank places. 1000 have no value, so that we will put 0. In this third number we don't have the 100 value, and here we don't have the 1000th value. So we will convert the unlike decimals into like decimals by putting 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 is carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 1 19. 1 carry. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 1 19. Then 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 39.964. Clear? Same with the second example. Our second example is 482.11 plus 653.938. So firstly we will check whether this number is the like or unlike. So 482.11 is our first number and second number is 653. So firstly we will put the decimal. 9 first digit, 3 is the second digit, 8 is the third digit, and the left side we have 3, then 5 and then 6. So we will put the addition sign and we will convert it in the sum form. So this one is a vertical form for the addition. Now we will check whether it's like or unlike. So this place is missing, that's why this is unlike decimal. So to convert it into like decimal we will put 0 over here, because in this number we have only 2 digits, so this one was the 2 decimal place and this one is 1, 2 and 3 decimal place. So to convert it into like decimal we are putting 0. So now this one is 1, 2, 3 decimal place, this one is also 3 decimal place. Now we can easily add the numbers. Let's start the addition. 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 will be over here and 1 will be carried. Decimal should be under the decimal. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 1 carry. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So our answer is 1136.048. So 482.11 plus 653.938 is equal to 1136.048. That is our required answer. Clear? This one is our answer. Got it? So we can also solve this sum in the place value chart. So let's start with the help of the place value chart. Our first number is 482.11. So firstly we will put the decimal. Right side first digit is 1, second digit is 1. Left side we have 2, 8 tens and 4 hundreds. Put the second number decimal. 9 tenths, 3 hundreds and 8 thousandths. 3 ones, 5 tens and 6 hundreds. Put the addition sign. So here you can see this one is unlike decimal. So for the conversion into like decimal we will put 0 because thousand place is missing. We don't have any value for thousand, that's why we are representing the thousand as 0 and this 0 will not affect the value. So 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0 is equal to 8, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 decimal. The carry will be given to ones place. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Now this one is actually the thousand place. This one will be under the thousand place. Clear? So 1136.048 is the answer. So students, now it's the time for your practice. So watch the video carefully, follow the instructions and solve the assigned task as pattern given to you. So follow the pattern, solve the given assignment by yourself, and if you will be confused for any point, you can ask me and you can watch the video again and again. Thank you.